Ever had that feeling like there's more out there for you? More opportunity, more freedom, more life? That was me a few years ago, stuck in a soul-sucking 9-to-5 job. I knew I had to make a change. That's when I discovered the incredible power of artificial intelligence. Practical AI tools that revolutionized how I work and earn. These tools help me escape the daily grind, work from anywhere, and earn more than I ever imagined possible. So, are you ready to ditch the 9-to-5 and unlock your true potential? Let's dive into the 7 AI secret weapons that changed my life. Tool 1, 10web.io and Durable.co. Imagine this, you're sitting at your computer, a few clicks in and boom, you have a website that looks like it cost a fortune. But guess what? You built it yourself in minutes using 10web.io and Durable.co. No coding experience, no design skills, no problem. These AI-powered website builders take all the guesswork out of the process. You simply tell them what kind of website you want, and they generate a stunning, fully functional site in no time. 10web.io's AI assistant acts like your personal web designer, suggesting layouts, color schemes, and content placement that are perfect for your brand. Durable.co takes it even further, writing compelling copy that speaks directly to your target audience. But what really makes these tools shine is their all-in-one approach. They not only build your site, but they also handle hosting, security, and even SEO optimization. They even have built-in e-commerce features, so you can start selling products online right away. It's like having an entire web team at your fingertips without the hefty price tag. Tool 2, Opus Clip. We all know that short-form video is huge on social media right now. It's where people are spending their time, and it's where businesses can really make a splash. But creating those eye-catching, shareable videos can be a serious time suck. That's where Opus Clip comes in. This AI tool is like having a personal video editor working around the clock. You feed it your long-form videos, webinars, interviews, presentations, whatever you've got, and it magically transforms them into attention-grabbing clips that are perfect for platforms like TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. Opus Clips AI isn't just chopping up your videos randomly. It's smart. It analyzes your content, finds the most engaging bits, and edits them together seamlessly. You can even add text overlays, music, and transitions to give your videos that extra professional touch. Honestly, Opus Clip has been a game changer for me. It's helped me repurpose my content, reach new audiences, and save a ton of time in the process. Tool 3, ChatGPT Writer.AI. Email. It's the digital task that never seems to end. But with ChatGPT Writer.AI, it doesn't have to be a constant headache anymore. This AI writing tool is like having a personal email assistant who's always on the ball. You simply paste in the email you need to reply to, and boom, you get a professional, personalized response in seconds. Whether it's a tricky customer complaint, a sales follow-up, or just a friendly check-in, ChatGPT Writer.AI can handle it all. It crafts responses that are clear, concise, and tailored to the specific situation. It can even help you with grammar, tone adjustments, and translations. Tool 4, Tidio's Lyro.AI. Great customer service is essential for any business, but it's not always easy to provide. Tidio's Lyro.AI can give you a serious advantage. This AI chatbot is like having a team of virtual customer support agents working around the clock. Lyro.AI learns from your existing support content, so it can quickly and accurately answer common questions, troubleshoot issues, and even help customers make purchases. It's available 24/7 in multiple languages and across various platforms, so your customers can always get the help they need. Not only does Lyro.AI improve customer satisfaction, but it also frees up your time, so you can focus on other aspects of your business. You can even integrate it with your CRM and e-commerce platforms, giving it even more power to support your customers and drive sales. Tool 5, DocuAsk AI. Have you ever felt buried under a mountain of paperwork? Contracts, research reports, legal documents? They can be overwhelming, right? I used to spend hours sifting through this stuff, but not anymore thanks to DocuAsk AI. This tool is a lifesaver for anyone who deals with complex information. It's like having a super intelligent research assistant who can analyze any document, no matter the format or language. DocuAsk AI can summarize key points, extract specific data, answer your questions, and even translate text into plain English. Whether you're a student, researcher, lawyer, or business professional, DocuAsk AI can save you countless hours and help you make sense of even the most dense and confusing documents. It's like having a superpower that lets you cut through the noise and get to the heart of the matter. Tool 6, Microsoft Copilot. Ever wish you had a personal assistant who could write, code, brainstorm, and research for you? Meet Microsoft Copilot, your AI-powered sidekick for just about anything. This free tool, powered by GPT-4, is like having a creative genius at your disposal. Need to write an engaging blog post? No problem. Want to whip up a sales email that actually converts? Copilot has got you covered. Struggling with a complex coding problem? This tool can help you find the solution. But it doesn't stop there. Copilot is also a master of summarizing information, creating outlines, and generating ideas. It's like having a brainstorming partner who's always available, ready to help you unleash your creativity and productivity. And the best part? It integrates seamlessly with Microsoft 365 apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, making it incredibly convenient to use in your everyday workflow. Tool 7, Adobe Firefly. In today's visually driven world, eye-catching images are essential for grabbing attention and communicating your message. But not everyone has the budget to hire a professional designer. That's where Adobe Firefly comes in. This AI-powered image generation tool is a game changer for creators, marketers, and anyone who needs high-quality visuals. With Firefly, you can generate realistic images from simple text descriptions, reference images, or even 3D elements. Want to create a stunning social media graphic that perfectly captures your brand? Describe it to Firefly and it'll generate it for you. Need a unique illustration for your blog post? Firefly can do that too. Want to add some eye-catching special effects to your photos? Firefly has got you covered. The possibilities are endless, and because Firefly integrates with Adobe Creative Cloud apps like Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign, you can easily incorporate your AI-generated images into your existing workflows. I've shared with you the 7 AI tools that help me transform my life and break free from the 9-to-5. But remember, these are just tools. They won't magically make you rich overnight. It takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But I truly believe that AI can be a powerful catalyst for change. It can help you automate tedious tasks, unleash your creativity, and discover new possibilities you never thought possible. So, don't be afraid to experiment. Try out these tools, explore the world of AI, and see where it takes you. Who knows, you might just find yourself living the life you've always dreamed of. If you're ready to take control of your future and build the life you want, hit that subscribe button and join our Next Quest community. We're all about practical strategies and tools for success. This is your host Alex signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.